Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I just got through washing my hair, and I am trying a new product that I had ordered the other week, and it came, and I am trying the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls 3 times moisture of oil, cream, and butter, triple blend shampoo and conditioner. Nourish, hydrates, and replenish immunity, and it is sulfate free. As you can see all of that right there on the bottle. So yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to re-wet the hair right quick. But I hope everybody's having a good week. I will be coming with a wrestling video, but yeah, so this is sort of like a first impression of this product. So we're kind of redamping this here right quick. Okay, and this kind of product you have to keep away from. It says keep away from your eyes. So I'm gonna have to start. If I use this product, be in the shower. But yeah, the next thing is let me get it a little. There we go. So then the next thing we're going to use, and this is the only thing I'm going to use, is we're going to use the Strictly Curls Triple Moisture Oil and Triple Moisture Oil, Cream and Butter, Moisturizing Smoothie Cream, the Freeze, Soften, and Shine. So this is what we're going to use. Anybody here on my channel, if you know what my hair does and have seen me do several, and I mean several, and this is what this is what the cream is looking like right here. So we're just going to take a little bit at a time. Okay, we're going to go to okay. And I always have gotten real good results from this particular brand in the past with my hair and thing. But yeah, so all we're gonna do is just let it air dry. I like to let my hair air dry because I don't have a diffuser. But yes, but yeah, that is it. So I will come back and give my when it dries and everything, and I'm gonna give my when it dries, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you my Ooh, I'm just gonna give y'all my first impressions in my review of this. So it will be a part 2 video to this with the first um, styler I'm using and the shampoo and the conditioner. But from how it's looking and how curly it's looking for the type of hair type that I do got, but let me just remind y'all what type of hair type I got. I have that black girl's good hair. And what I mean by that, I have refined curly hair with tight curls. And my hair can get very curly. It's very curly. If it gets curled enough, I might get my little cousin to come out here and film my whole head for y'all can actually see it. But I actually like how it is. So yeah, just get it, yeah. And thing, but yeah, I actually like it. This is I but so yeah, I will be back a little bit later and I will give a full review and after it dries and stuff. But yeah, I mean, if you can see the curls, look how curly. Y'all see? Usually I show y'all how curly my hair is on my Instagram. So make sure you check out my Instagram, Alicia Burton 14. And y'all, until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.